What's up, ladies? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady jumping right in. The company I will be working with is XrsBeauty Hair. They sent me a cute little edge control brush, of course, an adjustable elastic band, wide tooth comb, wig cap, some cute little flexi rods, and then of course their unit. This is their Kinky Curly Clear Lace in 18 inches, 200 in density. This is a 13x6 lace. It did come with 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and y'all, this lace is to die for. This is their clear lace. It is supposed to be a step up from the HD lace, as you guys can see. Definitely giving scalp. This unit did come pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots off camera, and I am in love with this curl pattern. Now, this is what the hairline is looking like. Like I said, I did not have to pluck this at all. It came pre-plucked just like this. I didn't have to do anything to it but bleach the knots for about 30 minutes and tone them. And now we're going to get right into the install. I'm going to take my eyebrow razor, start down the center, and cut down on the sides. Those of you who follow me already know how we do. I'm going to go ahead and cut one side from the middle down to my ear, and then repeat the same steps on the other side like so. Once that is done, I'm going to make sure I like the placement of the lace, see if I need to cut anything else off, and then we're going to jump right into the glueless install. I will be using the Eben Wonder Lace Spray. This is their sensitive skin line. They have a black bottle, red bottle, and then now their sensitive skin gold bottle. Either or works. They all work the same to me. I like the consistency of them. Now I'm just going in with my Songbird blow dryer and my rat tail comb, and I'm just pressing that lace into my skin, gently using low medium heat. You don't want it too hot and you don't want cold because it'll take forever. And then I'm just repeating the same steps on the side. I'm just lifting that lace up, putting a little bit of spray. Then I'm going to go in with my Songbird blow dryer. Once that gets a little tacky, gently place that down and use my rat tail comb to make sure everything else is adhered while using my blow dryer at the same time. You can use your fingers or a rat tail comb. It really just depends on what you prefer. Since I try to keep, as less mess as possible, I'll just use my rat tail comb and then have like a wipe or something handy to clean the edge of my comb up. Once that's done, I'm going to just go over any pieces, sorry y'all, any pieces to see if I need to adhere everything down. And y'all, it is already giving scalp. Like, this clear lace was nothing to play with. XrsBeauty Hair, y'all did the damn thing, okay? Now, I am going to go in with some makeup. I'm going to use this Super Stay L'Oreal foundation powder in this shade Chestnut, I believe. And I'm going to take this buffing makeup brush that I have. I don't know the brand of it. And I'm just going to pop that color right into the lace just to get that light glare off that you sometimes see at different angles, depending on how you're turning. So I'm just buffing all of that in. And then I want to show you guys that this is a 13x6 parting, so you can do deep side parts and deep middle parts. I love the texture of this hair. I love the fact that the roots are curly. I hate curly hair that's like straight at the roots. It just don't be giving what it's supposed to give, and this was definitely given. So as you guys can see, you can do deep parting spots. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull out my little baby hair. I'm not going to do anything crazy, just some cute little sideburns and my temple area. I do like to run my hot comb through my baby hairs just so they get nice and flat. And once we lay them down with some mousse and an elastic band, I think that like it just gives it like that little subtle touch to make it look as realistic as possible. But to each his own. But y'all do what y'all do. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and I am going to go ahead and mold my hairline with my hot comb. You want to make sure everything's nice and flat. We don't want no helmet on our head. Once I get all of that nice and flat to my liking, I'm going to go in with some Lotta Body mousse. And you can purchase that from your local beauty supply store or your local Sally Beauty. And I also think Walmart sells Lotta Body. Don't quote me on that though. Now I'm just running my hot comb through the rest of my edges, just to get them all nice and flat. Well, it's shot as flat as possible so you don't have to do too much maneuvering. Now I'm going to go in with my Lotta Body foam and just place that right on top, and then we're going to lay all of this down with an elastic band and start styling the hair. Go back in with my wax stick and part down the middle because we will be doing 2 space buns, little half up, half down style. And I wanted my front half, that, you know, the part that's going to be up, I wanted that to be as flat as possible. I hate bumpy helmet looking wigs, especially if you're doing like a half up, half down. You don't want it looking like a cone or anything like that at the top. So try to get it as flat as possible. And y'all, this density, the 200 density was definitely given. I was feeling like Diana Ross or something with this hair, okay? The curls were so cute. I was obsessing over it and I wasn't even done yet. But as soon as I get this flat to my liking, and I just wanted to show you guys that you can go ahead and press it out as much as you can with your hot comb. It didn't destroy the texture or anything like that. It's just making the top flat, which is what I need. You know, don't nobody want no helmets. Again, like I said, we don't want no helmets, okay? Now, once I get that done, I am going to get ready to pull out my Clairol Root Touch-Up Spray. I did over bleach the notch just a little bit, so I'm going to just go in and correct that like so. And you can also get this from your local Amazon for I think $14.99 or $20. I got this when I bought Arrogant Tay's Masterclass back in, I believe, 2020, and this is a lifesaver. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl powder in the shade Honey Beige. You want to make sure this powder is 1 shade lighter than your complexion because this is what I'm going to use to define my part. Your part needs to be lighter than, you know, the rest of everything else because your scalp is naturally lighter than the rest of your body. Once that's done, I am going to pull out my bands, and this is what everything is looking like after we melted it down. It's definitely giving scalp, baby. I was amazed. This clear lace ain't nothing to play with. You hear me? Now I'm gonna take my cuticle scissors and cut down at an angle. You don't want to cut straight across because your baby hairs will be looking real long and not cute. Just, if you can, just try to cut at an angle. Either you hold the hair or you hold your scissors, oh my god, y'all, at an angle, and just cut like diagonally or at a slant. And with my sideburns, I just cut straight across because I'm going to curl them. I'm going to take my Kaposi mini straightener, and I also got this off of Amazon for about $7 or $8, and I'm going to pre-curl my baby hairs upwards. I see some YouTubers curl them under. You can curl them up. It doesn't really matter, whichever one you prefer. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And then once that's done, I'm going to grab my Eco Style gel, and we are going to go ahead and lay those down. once the baby hairs are all nice and laid, I'm going to take my hot comb one more time and just comb everything upwards, since I am going to do a half up, half down. And I'm just parting out my space now. This hair was super thick, but I got it nice and flat, and it was definitely giving scalp, and I was so proud of myself. I'm going to take just a regular hair bow or hair tie, whatever you guys call it, and I am going to do just 2 little small pigtails that I'm going to wrap around and use some rubber bands to secure my buns, and then that will finish wrapping up this install. This hairstyle was so quick and easy, y'all. The clear lace really saved me a lot of time because I didn't have to do too much with the melting and, you know, all of that. Once I got my my ponytail the way I liked it, I just wrapped the hair up like so. And I tried to make them tight, and then I just ended up letting it be loose because I didn't want it to look like a ninja bun. I wanted it to look, you know, like a cute little fluffy space bun, especially with this hair being kinky curly. So as you guys can see, I just wrap it up like that, and it already stayed, and then I just grabbed some little black rubber bands to mold the bun to the liking of my choice. Now, you guys can see it's already given. I'm going to do the other side, same steps like so. Tie it down with a hair bow, mold it around, make sure you like the perfect bun size of your choice, make sure they even, and then once we get through with that, that will be the completed look. Okay, ladies, this is the finished look. Get into it. Again, this is XrsBeauty Hair. This is their 18-inch kinky curly clear lace unit, and it did come in 200 density, and it is giving, okay? I had to do minimal work to this, all right? The unit came pre-plucked. The hair was super cute, super fluffy, was giving body, up close and personal. You guys can see, no flitter. It's definitely giving scalp. You can't tell me, where's the lace at? Where the lace at? Because that's definitely my hair. That is definitely all me. You feel me? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, y'all. I enjoyed making this. This hairstyle was kind of new for me. I don't really do, you know, half up, half down, space bun. So I'm trying to just step out the box and find different hairstyles, different looks to try for you guys, because I be getting real bored with a bust down or a side part. You know, we got to switch it up. So this was definitely a go-to, quick and easy half up, half down style. Definitely recommend. This is the back of the unit. As you guys can see, you don't see no tracks, no cap, no nothing. All right. When they say 200 density, baby, this is 200 density. Okay. Look at all that. Look at all that hair. Look at all that body. And you could comb right through this with the wide tooth comb that they gave y'all with the package. Like, I love it. Love it. Love it. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. This hair will definitely keep me warm in the fall, winter time, since we going right on into that. Summer's about to roll out. But if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 150K, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.